Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. As you can see, we are in our sewing room today and I have a bring another sewing project for you. This is very easy and quick to do, but it's very helpful in your sewing techniques. So today I am going to teach you how you can reduce a size of any top straps. Like a pro or professionally, I have two different color of tops in front of me, but they both are same designs. This is our front part and this is our back. So normally when your clients come to you, they might can ask you, they want like a adjustment on their straps, like a 2 inch, 1 inch. It's up to them how much they want. Okay, so they will put pin over here. But if I bring you closer, this top, as we already have finished this one, so we're simply gonna finish this from back rather than messing up with all the professional straps here. Okay, you all just have to open all the previous stitches and then we're gonna exactly sew on the same way we have take out, not only reducing the straps or like adjusting the strap size. If you are making your own top, this technique is also very worth. I'm sure you're gonna really enjoy our today project, so let's go ahead and start it. So I have this beautiful top in front of us and all I just needed to do the shorten the straps. So my client had gave me measurement to take cut from like a 2 inches, and if you see that here our stitches are to join this both the straps together, but we are not cutting from top. Okay, simply we're just gonna flip our top and we are going to go on a back. And as you can see, I already have removed from back one strap. Okay, and this we will do later. Okay, so simply we're just gonna, because since we have removed this, we have used our seam ripper and now we have 1/4 inch extra fabric. So from full 1/4 inch to 2 inch we will be cutting our fabric strap. Okay, and then exactly we just gonna mark a 1/4 inch here for our stitches. That's it. Okay, that's all we need. This part we're gonna cut it 2 inches because we have to take in 2 inches. We always have to have a seam allowance, so this seam allowance 1/4 inch we're gonna leave alone. Okay, so let's go ahead and start cutting. All right, the next part is we're just gonna pin up the strap attachment. We're just gonna pin up the strap. So if you notice, that's on the back. Okay, so the first we are stitching. If you see, this is already have the binder. Okay, so we are not using inside of binder, it's already is a stitch, like this one is already stitched, so we are placing this on a back. So the simplest way is take your strap and fold on upper side. Okay, 1/4 inch as we had a mark. All right, and then place to exactly the spot which you had to take out. Okay, so just gonna place over here, and if I zoom it, you can get close to this. So now we're just gonna sew on a 1/4 inch. We're gonna attach this line to this line here and then sew on top of this. Okay, so just use pins. All right, we're just gonna sew it and then I will be back, and then after that we will have one more stitch and then our project is almost done. All right, and then the next step is pretty so simple too. All we're just going to flip it here. See that? How I fix this? So first we have to sew one stitch here on the top, and now it's time to straighten up this binder, and then we're just going to add a pin over here. Okay, and then we are just making a top stitch. We are just making a top stitch back forth and gonna secure like our this strap. Okay, let's head to sewing machine and then I will show you the finishing project. Well, I'm going to also adjust my other strap as well, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have liked this quick and easy tip and technique for sewing projects. Thank you so much for watching our today's sewing episode. As you can see, we have did our project so nicely. If you really like our today's sewing project and if you are looking forward to learn more sewing techniques and tips, please give this video big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share with your family and friends so I can continually hit more subscribers and continually keep sharing all the wonderful projects over here on my channel. I love you all. Be safe wherever you are and have a lovely fabulous day. Bye bye.